Introducing the Dr. Save Vacuum Travel Kit. It comes with the handheld vacuum and 4 bags, 2 large and 2 small. To start saving space now, open the top of the handheld vacuum and install 3 AA batteries. Pack as many clothes, blankets, or soft goods as will comfortably fit in one of the vacuum bags. Seal the top using the provided plastic bag sealer. Place the handheld vacuum on top of the nozzle, press the button on the top to activate, and wait as all the air is sucked out of the vacuum travel bag. When all the air has been removed, press the button again to stop the vacuum sealer and replace the cap. The bag's now ready to be thrown into any suitcase or placed into long-term storage. If you are traveling with it, make sure you throw the handheld vacuum sealer into your bag for the trip home.
If you've ever had to clean out your clogged shower drain, then you know how gross and disgusting that glob of wet hair can be. Well, never again. The solution is finally here. Introducing DrainWig. With DrainWig, you'll never have to worry about clogged drain again. You simply leave the DrainWig in your drain, and every few months you just pull it out and dispose of it. You don't have to touch the yucky glob or even look at it. It just takes seconds to pull out and throw away. It's completely disposable. This is how it works. Water and hair spin down the drain. As it spins, the hair gets caught in the DrainWig stainless steel chain and tiny rubber whiskers. Over time, as the hairball builds up, it can easily be removed and disposed of. There's no more need for harmful chemicals that are dangerous and can ruin your pipes. No more need to dredge out your drain by hand the old way. DrainWig is the easy solution to a very nasty problem. You can also get a DrainWig for your tub. This DrainWig allows the stopper to seal all the way shut, so no water leaks out while you bathe.
My name is Jennifer Briggs, and I am the inventor of the DrainWig. I have 5 daughters, and they all have beautiful long hair, and we clog drains. Our drains were constantly getting clogged, so we invented the DrainWig out of necessity. And now over 100,000 people are using DrainWig, and they love it. You can finally let your hair go down the drain. Don't worry, your drains are being protected. I promise you, it really works.
One visit from the plumber can cost over $80. DrainWig can save you money and all the hassle.
We are surrounded by technology. It's entering our homes and helping us automate daily tasks. But I find myself thinking, there has to be a more natural and accessible way to control the devices around us. If the goal of automation is to simplify our lives, why does it feel so complicated? Our goal as a company is to solve this. Say hello to Naki. Naki is a small, elegant device that instantly transforms ordinary surfaces in your environment into remote controls. Using Naki couldn't be easier. Simply take it out of the box, pick a place to put it, select a surface to attach it to, and then define all the things you'd like Naki to do. Naki can control a wide variety of devices around us. But the true beauty of our technology is that what it can do is only limited by your imagination. Put one in your living room, or the kitchen, or even your bedroom. I mean, imagine rolling over in the morning and tapping a simple pattern anywhere on your nightstand to snooze your alarm and start the coffee maker without even opening your eyes. You just bought 10 more minutes in bed. And you'll definitely want to put one in your kid's bedroom. It's exciting to think of how Naki will spark their imagination as they figure out all kinds of ways to use it.
Using Wi-Fi, which is proven to be far more reliable and with better reach than Bluetooth, you can enjoy using Naki from anywhere. The number of devices and software that Naki interacts with is rapidly growing every day. It currently includes Nest, Philips Hue, LifeX, SmartThings, IFTTT, and more. But even if you're new to the smart technology world, you can still use Naki for simple functions around your home. Other technologies that rely on sound or voice control can be unreliable and confusing to use. They can be triggered accidentally and don't always work as expected. Our patent-pending technology uses non-acoustic sensors. It's able to distinguish deliberate tap or knock patterns from random vibrations in the environment.
The beauty of our product is that it makes any regular environment into a user interface. Think about the surfaces around you. So many of them serve one or two purposes. Add a Naki to them and you instantly have a hub for automation. We carefully chose every material and finish for Naki. We've gone through a series of different tests and prototypes to make sure that Naki blends in your environment and also looks beautiful on your surfaces.
We're doing our first production runs here in the USA because it's important for our entire team to be there on the ground floor, ensuring that we're manufacturing the best possible product. It's not some far-fetched idea. We've finalized our designs, we have a beautiful working prototype, and we need to raise funds to actually get it into production and immediately start shipping them to your door. We couldn't be more excited about how this product is going to change lives and bring joy to people everywhere. Naki accomplishes what technology is supposed to do. Instead of taking over our life, it enhances it, allowing you to put more thought and effort into the things that really matter. Tap into the world around you with the magic of Naki.